guys, good morning. It's January 6th today and we're going to the car dealership because my car doesn't lock. Yeah, I hate my car now. But no, I'm not really. I love my car. But yeah, here's Snake. And here's my OOTD. 2 layers, and then I'm gonna put a jacket on because it's cold out. But yeah, we're going now.
Are we told?
Turn right.
Well, I guess
now.
it doesn't really matter too much because we don't have a license plate for this yet.
The what?
I was just gonna say, have we told the office that we got a new car yet?
Not yet. We can do that later. Hey guys, we're now here at the Ford dealership to fix my car because my car won't lock. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Nick and the Uber. We just had called an Uber because so that we can still do stuff. Yeah. Hey.
Hey.
What update?
We just dropped our car off at the Ford dealership so they hopefully can fix our broken lock.
And we're waiting for the Uber. It's gonna be here in 4 minutes.
Yeah. Is it just gonna take us home?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So that we can get our car and do stuff together and we can eat. So yeah. So I thought so you thought I'm crazy at first?
At first, yeah. Cause
I'm just dumb or something because I don't know how to operate my car.
I didn't think you were dumb. I just thought...
I feel like I'm dumb at first because I said, maybe I'm just doing something wrong because it won't lock. And then I noticed that the door lock indicator's not lighting up at all.
Yeah.
So I said, or probably you have to do some fancy stuff, you know. Because I know when Spencer has like the button, like Dad's, you know, at the handle. So when she press the button, it will open up, and then just the driver's side. But when she pushed the 2 times, it will open the whole car.
Yeah. Yeah, and because it used to be that the cars had buttons like that, but they would only activate if the key fob was within a certain distance. But now it's gotten to where it's all touch.
Yeah.
Because they don't need the buttons anymore. They can just use sensors.
I thought our car is all-wheel drive. It's 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
But that's okay. That's still...
Yeah, it's fine. I look beautiful today.
Every day.
Every day. We're just waiting for our Uber. So we'll see you later. Bye.
Yeah, they said it was going to take like an hour and a half to get it figured out. So
they're not busy because I don't see like cars. Like, because I tried scheduling, you know.
Yeah.
And they're like, I think the next one will be like March. So I said, no, we're just going walk in. Because it says they're quick lane, no appointment service while you wait. So that's good. And we have warranty, so it's free. Okay, bye. We're home now.
we're home.
Just gonna get the car keys. Put some moisturizer. Because, oh, so bro, this is where I got the dookie.
That's possible.
Are you gonna change clothes?
I don't know. Part of me wants to, but part of me doesn't want to bother.
I think it's fine because, you know, later it will be cold. Yay! Okay.
Oh, moisturizer.
Oh, yeah.
We almost forgot. 30 seconds after you saying something about it.
Okay, I'm back. OOTD. Have a jacket on from Nick's mom. And then 2 leggings. And then my Adidas shoes. How about you? And a bag.
And a bag. I'm decked out in Eddie Bauer's winter line. My fleece pullover with Captain America undershirt.
Oh, I have to.
Eddie Bauer fleece line hiking pants.
I'm wearing a
Columbia winter shoes.
Oh, I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt and then a shirt with a hoodie. Is that what you call it?
It's still a hoodie.
A hoodie that's so thin. It's for summer. Okay, we're going now. We're going to eat.
Dude.
You feel complete now with your keys?
I don't know about complete, but I definitely feel
Weird now.
less weird.
You're complete because I'm here. Okay. Mail woman's here. I have to check our mail later. Yay! I miss our dear car. I miss our dear car. Hey love. Update.
We're at Red Robin.
Red Robin, this is my first time to eat at Red Robin. Here's their menu.
I got a Tuscan salmon sandwich.
We're gonna go ahead and put you guys somewhere.
I think I want this.
Smoked pepper. Here's our burger. Oops, it's not focusing there. We're home. We're gonna update you guys later about my car. And Nick's talking to Dad.
But haven't been able to physically look at one. So, anyways, that's all I got. So, okay. So, we just got home a few minutes ago, and while we were at Walmart, the dealership called. They said that there's a faulty
A faulty thingy inside the thing.
Yeah, I can't think of the name of it now. There's like a faulty chip that regulates the unlock and lock in the gun, in the car. So the unlock button works just fine in the car, but the lock is faulty.
Broken.
Yeah, it's broken.
Not working.
However you really want to say it. It doesn't do what it's supposed to. So they're going to order the part for us, and they're supposed to get it tomorrow or the day after, and then they'll install it for us, and we'll go get the car back because we decided to leave it at the dealership. So that's it.
And we're gonna take our tree down today.
Oh, that's news to me.
Oh yeah, you're gonna help me because I can't reach the boxes, Nicholas. I can't reach the boxes. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And we went to Walmart to get some salad mix and some beef because I love steak. Steak's the best ulam ever. And then we went to get him some ear protection and eye protection for shooting. Okay.
Okay, I think that's it.
Oh, and I'm gonna take you guys later. Well, I'm gonna cook dinner, but I don't know what I'm gonna cook. So it depends on what Nicholas wants.
I'm gonna cook food.
Yes. Okay, bye.